morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
While Russia has found alternative markets for its crude oil, mostly in India, switching sales of refined products and, perhaps even more so, natural gas will take years and come at huge cost. That's if it's even possible to create markets as the world turns away from fossil fuels. After firing 12,000 employees, Google CEO Sundar Pichai is likely to announce a significant pay cut for senior executives. In a town hall meeting with employees, Pichai said that all roles above senior vice president level will witness a reduction in their annual bonus. A potential US recession and tough comparisons to a stellar 2022 are weighing on the prospects of energy stocks delivering an encore to last year's stunning run, despite valuations that are seen as still comparatively cheap.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial market.